Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna have a quick introduction into AI. Okay, and that's for those who are totally new to the idea of AI, those who do not really understand what AI means or what AI can be used for. Okay, and what are the way to learn about AI than asking AI itself? So for that, I've gone ahead and opened ChatGPT. Now I have an account with ChatGPT, so now this is ChatGPT, and you can as well create an account with ChatGPT if you do not have one already. So just go to chat.openai.com. You're going to be brought to the homepage of OpenAI, which is the company that owns ChatGPT, and from there on you can create a new account and then come to this page that I am in presently. Okay, so ChatGPT is an AI model for text, while Adobe Firefly, which this course is based on, is an AI model for image related tasks. Okay, so we're going to be using ChatGPT to learn about AI in this video. So now I just want you to go ahead and come down here where it says message ChatGPT, and then I'm going to basically type. Okay, I'm going to write out a message to ChatGPT. So the message is explain AI in very simple and precise terms, or let's say points instead, points, and then hit enter. And right now we can see that we've messaged ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to reply to our message. Okay, so like I said, ChatGPT is an AI model, and ChatGPT has the paid version and the free version. Right now I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 rather, which is the free version of ChatGPT, and you can use it as well. But if you have the paid version, you can of course also use it. So now it is giving us some points here explaining what AI is. Now, definition: AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. You get? So that's the basic definition of AI. It's basically computers performing the tasks that were only possible using human intelligence. Okay, so that's basically what AI is, and we can go ahead and keep reading more about AI. So these are just summarized text, and I'll just try my best to read them out quickly. So we have learning. So we have the second point, which is learning, and AI systems learn from data. They are trained using large amounts of data to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions based on those data. And there are types of AI. There are basically two types of AI. We have narrow AI, which is designed for a specific tasks or sets. Okay, and we also have general AI, which could have human-like recognition abilities and could perform any intellectual task that a human can do. So based on my knowledge, we don't have much of the general AI in existence right now, but they are in their development stage. Okay, so we have mostly the narrow AI, and that's for completing a particular task. Okay, so I think this is an example of a narrow AI also, this ChatGPT, which is a text-based model. You get? Then we have examples. AI is already in use in various fields such as healthcare, which is used for diagnosis and treatment recommendations. It's used for finance. It's used in transportation, entertainment, and so on and so forth. And we can read about the algorithms. AI algorithms are the instructions that guide AI systems on how to process data and make decisions. So you can go ahead and keep reading all of these for yourselves. I'm not going to spend all the time reading it out. Now, the next thing I want us to search here or to ask ChatGPT about is what AI prompts are. Okay, so what are AI prompts? So AI prompts are specific instructions or queries provided to an artificial intelligence system to generate responses. Okay, so it means what I've been typing to generate these responses are examples of prompts. Okay, so what are AI prompts? It's an example of a prompt. Explain AI in very simple and precise points. This is also a prompt. So a prompt is basically what you input to an AI to give you a response. So this could be what you also input into Adobe Firefly in this case to give you a response. Okay, so like we can see here, this is example of a prompt. This one that's just on the home page of Adobe Firefly right now. We can see that it's typing, and then if you type and just click generate, you can now generate what you have typed. Okay, yeah, so we can read more about prompts to give us more understanding. So these prompts serve as input for the AI model to generate text or perform tasks based on the given instructions. AI prompts can vary depending on the desired outcome or nature of the task, and they can be simple or complex, and they may involve asking questions, providing context, or giving directives to the AI model. For example, if I want the AI to generate a creative story, you might provide a prompt like write a short story about a time-traveling detective who solves crimes across different historical eras. So we can see that this is an example of a prompt. So if we copy this prompt right now and paste it here, ChatGPT is going to help us create this story, okay, this short story. So let's say I just hit enter now. You're going to see that it now creates a title, which is the Chrono Detective, and then it's now creating the story based on our prompts, our provided prompts. Okay, so basically that's how prompts work. And in conclusion, in the context of OpenAI's ChatGPT models, prompts are typically in the form of text inputs given to models, which then generates text based on the prompts and its pre-existing knowledge. The quality and relevance of the generated text often depends on the clarity and specificity of the prompt given to the AI model. So whatever AI model we're working on, prompts are incredibly important. Okay, so your knowledge and your ability to create perfect prompts or very good prompts will greatly influence the outcome or quality of outcomes you get from the AI model. So that's why it's very important to learn about prompts, and we're going to have a module in this course where we base on prompts, okay, where we learn how to create prompts even with the use of AI. Okay, so that's what prompts are, and we can see that this prompt we just typed here, or we just pasted here, we've gotten a response for it, and we don't have time to read all this, but you can read it if you want. So that's basically it for AI and AI prompts, and I hope with this little video you now understand or fully comprehend what AI is and how AI works and what AI prompts are. So in the next module, we'll start working on Adobe Firefly properly. Yeah, so that's it for this one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.